Hello everyone and welcome back to the NFT Zone. Scams and frauds increase dramatically just as they do in every industry that grows swiftly. Aside from the apparent flaws in the smart contracts of the NFTs, there are numerous methods for a user to lose all of their savings. Let's take a look at some of the most typical NFT frauds and how you can steer clear of them. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. 10. Counterfeit NFTs. Unverified Banksy-styled artworks were sold for about $1 million worth of ETH earlier this year. This leads us to the issue of fake works in the NFT realm. It's worth performing some background investigation if you're buying expensive and sought-after crypto art, especially if the artwork is selling for less than it should be. To begin, always double-check that the NFT's contract address is correct. Investigate who's selling the NFT, what other items they have sold, and whether the NFT is also available on other platforms. If it's a 1/1 edition, then there shouldn't be more than one for sale, and if it's the real one, it should have been certified with a blue check. 9. Fake mints. Several buyers and NFT fans are interested in the wallet actions of prominent collectors and influencers, and scammers will take advantage of this chance. Developers sent NFTs to influencers to make it appear as if the influencers were minting the tokens. There are several steps you may take to ensure that an NFT is genuine before purchasing it. Check the creator's social media sites to check if they've mentioned the item and whether they appear to be a trustworthy artist. Look through other NFT marketplaces to check whether the artwork is available elsewhere. The fact that an NFT is available on various platforms can be a red flag for fraud. If the NFT is an image, perform a reverse image search on Google to discover if there are any other versions of the image and how long it has been around. If you're on a desktop, upload the image into the search engine to run a reverse search. 8. Catfishing. If you're an artist or creator and you get a DM asking you to do anything or sign up somewhere before they'll buy your NFT, ignore it. This may be especially appealing to budding artists who have yet to sell anything and who are approached with the prospect of being their first buyer. Run away, delete, block, report, or do whatever else you want, but don't fall for it. Other approaches include the standard, "I have X amount of ETH to spend, please pitch me your project." Usually this type of post is accompanied by a photoshopped screenshot of their MetaMask wallet, which contains an absurd amount of ETH. 7. Pump and dump. In both crypto and NFTs, the pump and dump plan is a tried and true method. This is when a person, or more commonly a group of people, buys a significant number of NFTs in order to deceive the market by artificially inflating demand. When the value rises, the con artists sell all of their assets and profits handsomely. 6. Discord DMs. The more your Discord network grows, the more false invites you'll get. When someone is impersonating a company, artist, or NFT influencer, Discord DMs can be very troublesome. Never click on links, no matter how legitimate they appear to be. Oh hey, if you want us to feed you informative videos like these, please don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. 5. Giveaway scams. Fraudulent NFT social media accounts and Discord servers can conduct fake giveaways, leading users to believe they've won a significant prize. A phony NFT account will message users, generally on Twitter or Discord, telling them they've won an NFT in this scam. The user will then be directed to a false NFT page, where they will be asked to connect their crypto wallet and enter their seed phrase. 4. Investor scams. After investors spent large sums of money into a budding NFT project named Evolved Apes, the mysterious creator jumped ship with $2.7 million or 798 Ether. People who were told they had won Evolved Apes NFT artworks in a competition through the project's social media never received their rewards. In the end, it was all a big publicity stunt to collect money for a rug pull. While most individuals prefer to buy NFTs rather than invest directly in up-and-coming companies, it's crucial to be aware of this type of scam when investing in the crypto realm. Ponzi scams and rug pulls are common in the sector. Therefore, it's important to educate oneself about the dangers of investing. 3. Customer support impersonation. Scammers frequently use phony NFT customer service websites to obtain sensitive information from unwitting NFT owners. This is a rather typical occurrence on Discord. Scammers can ask for private information in order to repair any problem you're having if you connect to one of these bogus customer support servers instead of the legitimate one. If you're concerned, think about how you're getting to these Discord servers. Rather than simply Googling a server or looking for it on Discord, try going to the NFT creator's official website or social media first. If you can't reach the server this way, you should check how many followers it has. 2. Social media impersonation. This is the authentic Larva Labs Twitter page, as you can see on the screen right here. Scammers, on the other hand, frequently duplicate these accounts, generating false pages that look identical to the originals. Scammers can persuade users of their legitimacy by using these phony accounts and then offer them fraudulent NFT artworks. It's just another opportunity for them to benefit from selling bogus artwork. These bogus social media profiles can also host bogus giveaways, putting unsuspecting consumers in danger. To avoid being fooled by bogus accounts, look for a verification tick next to the username. This tick isn't present on all authorized NFT social media profiles, thus its absence isn't necessarily a dead giveaway. You could also run a fast Google search for the NFT creators' social media pages to see if there are any other accounts with a similar name and a lot more followers, as this may be the genuine page. Scammers will pose as well-known NFT artists and attempt to sell consumers fake replicas of well-known NFT artworks at significantly cheaper costs. If the price seems too good to be true, it probably is. So keep an eye out for significant discounts on NFTs that should cost much more. 1. Fake NFT stores. Scammers frequently establish bogus NFT stores by closely replicating popular NFT marketplaces like OpenSea. These sites might appear to be nearly identical to the originals, fooling even the most seasoned NFT buyer into spending enormous sums of money on a fake artwork that is worthless, in fact. So, how can you prevent falling victim to this well-crafted con? To begin, learn everything you can about the NFT you're interested in. NFTs that normally sell for hundreds of thousands of dollars will be sold for a fraction of their true value on several scam sites. On OpenSea's official website, for example, the NFT known as Ape Gang number 4510 is presently priced at 10 ETH, or around $39,428.10. On a fake website though, it might be listed for a fraction of an ETH. If you're interested in purchasing a more expensive NFT, make sure the seller is verified first. Finally, double-check the contract address of your preferred NFT. This will reveal the country in which it was minted. A fake NFT store may display an inaccurate minting address, whilst the genuine one will display the precise location of the coin's minting. So make sure to double-check the contract addresses on the official site of the NFT developers you're interested in. With this, we've come to an end. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, stay safe, fellas.